Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we understood the need of Web API. In this video, we will understand what is Web API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. This is the full form of API. Web API is a concept, not a technology. Remember, Web API is not a technology that works on the HTTP protocol and it is used to extend the functionality of an application. Now the question comes in mind, how can Web API can extend the functionality of an application? Suppose we have created the Web API project, we can use the same API in any of the project. If I am creating web application, I can use the same Web API. If I am working on Android app, there also I can use the same Web API. In the same manner, we can also extend the functionality or services by using this Web API. Now, let's learn how to create Web API. We can develop the Web APIs using multiple technologies such as Java, .NET, Node.js, etc. So we can create Web API using Java. We can also create Web API by using .NET or Node.js, etc. There are lots of framework available to work with Web API. We can use any one of them. So in our video series, we will create Web API using .NET. Each technology provides couple of frameworks to develop the Web API. Next, we will learn how to create Web API using .NET. In .NET, we are following two frameworks to create the Web API. First one is ASP.NET Web API 2. If you are creating Web API using ASP.NET Web API 2, so we need to work with .NET framework. So in our video series, we will create Web API using ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core Web API is a CRAS platform high performance framework which can be used for building flexible web APIs. It is the latest open source and fastest framework to create the web API. So, in our upcoming videos, we will create web APIs and work with web APIs by using this ASP.NET Core. Okay, I hope you understood what is web API and how to create web API. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.